Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to add progress bar in monday.com. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to log into monday.com, and once when you're logged in, you can select any of the project that you're working on. I'm going to go with this. So if you need to add a progress bar, this is what you need to do. Let me just add another column first because this is very important. Okay, we're going to go with that, and we're going to add another item and just label it this for now, just for the sake of explanation to you. And then we're going to go with working on it. So that's it. So now to add a progress bar, what do we need to do? We need to click on this again, and then we need to click here on more column. And then we're going to write progress tracking. Here you go. And then we are going to click here, add to board. So this is how we add a progress bar uh, on your working board in monday.com. Now you can see this is actually 100%. It's written 50 here because you need to check all these, I would say, prerequisites that you've completed, and then it is going to be 100%. 17% here is the overall percentage. It calculates automatically. We can add weightages to the statuses as well, like we can make it more customized, how much value do we want to put it to. But this is actually an estimated number. We just have to get more concerned about the items that are stuck, or the items on which your team is still working on. So that's how you actually add a progress bar in monday.com. So I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll definitely see you in the next one.